Good morning, I'm Della Bible, and today I will be helping you all with the grip reversal. So the first thing you want to do is get into a pretty solid stance and stick out your right wrist. And the motion for this, you go up and over, and you'd be being grabbed right here on your wrist. By doing that, you're going against the thumb and then grasping them in reverse. And to follow through, you take your right leg and you go back and you pull them. From there, you can follow up with an elbow strike, a punch, a palm heel, and even a knee if you needed to. So let's run through that a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I would like to call in my assistant for today, Mr. Disco. And you can practice this with your partner as well, but don't follow through too heavily on the strikes afterwards. So reverse, bring back to the leg, and then stop a few inches away from your partner's face. Again. And again. Make sure that your partner is still trying to put force into their grab, because you wouldn't just be being held real loosely. So you have to have a conscious effort to break away and then continue your strike. Other side. And this is what it looks like from the other ankle. Again. And again. Thank you, sir. This has been Della Bible helping with wrist reversal strike.